Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up the Canon PIXMA MP250 printer on your Windows 10, Windows 11, Mac, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to search for Canon PIXMA MP250 support, and go ahead and search for that. Best result should be from a Canon support page for PIXMA MP250. Go ahead and select that. And then on this page, you want to just scroll down underneath the download section and expand software and drivers. And if you have to select a different operating system and version number, if it's not automatically detected for some reason, you can click on these drop downs. And then on the download section right below, there should be a My Printer file in here. Select the download button that corresponds to it. And it shouldn't take very long to download to our system. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and open it up to run it. Should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes, and you can close out of the web browser. Should be a welcome screen here. Select next, select your region as well as country, and then next again. Select yes for the license terms, and we're not going to change the installation location, so we're just going to proceed here. And you can create a shortcut on your desktop if you would like. We're going to select complete. And then hopefully at this point your printer should be recognized. If not, you may need to go underneath diagnose and repair printer and then walk through the on-screen directions of connecting your printer to your computer, laptop, device. So pretty straightforward, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.